It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today we're going to watch a super fun and colourful drawing. Are you ready? Because today we're drawing a cute little girl wearing a beautiful rainbow dress and a shiny crown like a princess. First, we will start with our sweet little girl. She has a happy face, bright eyes and a big smile. And look, she's wearing a crown. Wow, that means she's a little princess today. I think she might be smiling because she knows she's wearing the most colourful dress ever. Our princess looks so cheerful in her crown and rainbow dress. Maybe she's going to a rainbow castle party. Or maybe she's just dancing and having fun in her magical dress. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as we draw our cute little princess with her amazing rainbow dress. Ta-da! Our princess is all drawn. Her crown and rainbow dress are ready. Okay, friends, now we're going over the lines to make them nice and thick. Look at our cute princess and her rainbow dress. The lines are getting darker, so we can see everything clearly. Ta-da! Look, friends, the rainbow colours are here. Our princess drawing looks so colourful and happy. It's colouring time. Let's fill our cute princess with bright and beautiful colours. Colour orange. Now it's time to colour the crown of our little princess. I love this shiny crown on her head. Colour yellow. Now let's add some yellow. Yellow is bright like the sun in the sky. When we mix orange and yellow together, the crown looks extra shiny and special, just like a real princess crown. The crown looks happy and ready for a royal adventure. Colour brown. Now, let's colour our princess's hair. Look at her beautiful hair flowing down. For her hair, we're going to use a nice brown colour. Brown can look like yummy chocolate, or the colour of tree trunks in the forest. Isn't that cool? Let's carefully colour her hair so it looks soft and smooth. Wow, look at that brown hair. Our princess looks so lovely. I think the brown hair matches perfectly with her bright crown and rainbow dress. Do you think our princess likes to brush her hair before she goes to the castle party? Maybe she looks in the mirror and says, "My hair looks beautiful today." Friends, look closely as the brown colour fills the hair. It makes our princess look even more magical and ready for her colourful rainbow dress. Great watching, everyone! Our princess is starting to look amazing. Brown hair is one of the most common hair colours in the world. Isn't that cool? Our princess is very special with her beautiful brown hair. Her hair is so soft and flowy. Maybe it's secretly magic hair. If she twirls, I think her hair might turn into a slide for little fairies. That would be so funny! I wonder if birds like to sing on her hair. Maybe. I think the birds say, "Hello, shiny brown hair. Can we sing with you?" Look at our princess girl. She's so cute. But I think she might be sneaking away to a magical castle. Ha 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 ha. Can you imagine her tiptoeing in a big castle that's taller than the clouds? I hope the dragons don't catch her. Oh no, silly dragons, don't eat the princess girl. I wonder if our princess girl has a pet. I think yes. She might have a tiny fluffy kitten that follows her everywhere. Meow. Isn't that cute? Colour pink. Did you know princess girls are usually kind and brave? Our princess girl is brave because she smiles, even when her crown is a little wobbly. That It's so special. I think our princess girl has a secret superpower. When she jumps or spins, maybe she sprinkles magical rainbow sparkles everywhere. Whoa! Watch out, everyone! Magic coming through! Ha ha, silly princess girl! Color purple! Let's add violet. Violet is soft and magical, like tiny flowers or evening skies.
Wow!
Look at our princess girl's rainbow dress now. It's so colourful and happy. I think Violet is twirling and giggling, saying, "Hello, friends." Now our rainbow dress is complete. Isn't it amazing how all the colours together make our princess girl look like a magical rainbow princess ready for an adventure? Are you enjoy watching, friends? Don't forget to subscribe. Colour indigo. Now let's colour indigo. Indigo is a deep and magical colour, like twilight in the sky. Wow, it looks so pretty on our princess girl's rainbow dress. I think indigo is winking at us and saying, "I'm the mystery colour of the rainbow."
Wow!
Isn't it amazing how each stripe makes her dress more magical and special? I love how our princess girl is turning into a colourful rainbow princess. Colour blue. Time for blue. Blue is cool and calm, like the sky or the ocean. Look at how lovely it looks on our princess girl's dress. I think blue is whispering, "Hello, friends. I'm here to make everything peaceful and happy." Tee-hee. Maybe blue likes to float like little clouds around our princess girl. Isn't it fun watching the dress get more colourful?
Wow!
Colour green. Now we're colouring green. Green is fresh and calm, like grass or leaves in a garden. Look how it makes our princess girl's rainbow dress look magical and full of life. I think green is stretching its arms and saying, "Hi, friends. I love to play with all the other rainbow colours." Doesn't it look so fun spinning around with the red, orange and yellow stripes?
Wow!
Colour yellow. Next up is yellow. Yellow is so bright, like the sun in the sky. Look at how cheerful it makes our princess girl's dress. I think yellow is giggling and saying, "Hello, friends. Let's have fun today." Isn't it amazing how this stripe makes the dress look super sunny and happy? I bet our princess girl feels sparkly with yellow on her dress. Colour orange. Now let's colour the orange stripe. Orange is warm and fun, like a yummy orange or a little sunset.
Wow!
Look at how it shines on our princess girl's dress. Tee-hee. I think the orange stripe is dancing and saying, "I'm ready to twirl." Isn't it funny how colours can look so happy? I love seeing our princess girl's dress getting brighter and more magical. Look at all those rainbow colours. I think if she spins, she might become a rainbow tornado. Whee! Don't fly away, princess.
Wow!
Rainbow colours are said to bring happiness and fun. No wonder our princess is smiling so big. Colour red. And finally, colour red. Look at this bright red stripe on our princess girl's rainbow dress. Red is so happy and bold, just like a shiny apple or a fire truck. I think it's waving hello to us and saying, "Hi, friends, I'm the first rainbow colour." Isn't it fun to see red so bright? Maybe our princess girl likes red because it's strong and cheerful, just like her smile. Wow, red, yellow, blue, green, that's so many colours. I think the dress might tickle her toes when she walks. Hooray! Our rainbow princess girl is all finished and looking amazing. Friends, if you loved colouring and having fun, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way, we can draw, colour and play together every single day. See you on next video.